Hi guys. This case is about Hopwood Manufacturing seeking to hire the best and the brightest or Nazi. Harvard Case Solution and Analysis. This is a case showing a Series A, B, and C case. Robert Harvey, a business professor at a small university in Iowa, arranged for manufacturer Hopwood come to campus to interview his students for internships and management training positions, only to know that recruiters, Dave Maggart and Wendy Blair, have been more interested in the speeches of candidates than their qualifications. Harvey must now decide what action to take in response to the discriminatory application of recruiters. For more details you can visit www.TheCaseSolutions.com. Thanks for watching this video.